I know what you're probably thinking right now. Here comes another miracle juice claim, right? We've all seen those flashy ads and heard the wild promises about the latest superfood drink that's supposed to change your life overnight. Maybe you're even a little skeptical, and honestly, I get it. There are so many health trends out there, it's hard to know what's real and what's just hype. But stick with me for a moment, because today we're diving into a juice combo that's not just trendy, but actually backed by science. And trust me, it tastes amazing too. Unlike some of those so-called miracle drinks, this one has real research behind it. Scientists have been studying the benefits of both pomegranate and pineapple for years, and the results are pretty impressive. Plus, let's not forget the flavor. This isn't one of those hold your nose and chug it down health drinks. Pomegranate pineapple juice is genuinely delicious, refreshing, sweet, and just a little bit tangy. It's the kind of drink you'll actually look forward to having every day. So let's break it down and see why pomegranate pineapple juice deserves a spot in your daily routine. We'll look at the science, the health benefits, and of course the taste. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why this juice is considered a legit superfood, and you might even be inspired to whip up a glass for yourself. First up, let's talk about pomegranates. These fruits might look a little intimidating on the outside, but inside they're packed with hundreds of jewel-like seeds called arils. Each one is bursting with flavor and nutrients. Pomegranates have been celebrated for centuries in cultures around the world, not just for their taste, but for their powerful health benefits. What makes pomegranates so special? It's all about the antioxidants. These tiny seeds are loaded with compounds called polyphenols, which act like microscopic bodyguards for your cells. Imagine them as a team of superheroes, fighting off the bad guys like free radicals that can cause damage and lead to aging, inflammation, and even chronic diseases. In fact, pomegranates have some of the highest antioxidant levels of any fruit. That means every sip of pomegranate juice is like giving your body a powerful shield against everyday stress and environmental toxins. Now let's add pineapple to the mix. If pomegranate is the superhero, pineapple is its trusty sidekick, sweet, tangy, and absolutely packed with vitamin C. Just 1 cup of fresh pineapple contains more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's the vitamin that helps keep your immune system strong, your skin glowing, and your body energized. Pineapple is also rich in bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps with digestion and may even reduce inflammation. So not only does pineapple make the juice taste amazing, it brings its own set of health benefits to the table. Drinking pineapple juice is like sipping on sunshine. It's bright, refreshing, and instantly lifts your mood. The natural sweetness of pineapple perfectly balances the tartness of pomegranate, creating a flavor combination that's both invigorating and satisfying. Whether you're starting your morning or looking for an afternoon pick-me-up, this juice is sure to put a smile on your face. Now here's where the magic happens. When you mix pomegranate and pineapple together, you get more than just a tasty drink. You get a nutritional powerhouse. This juice is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to support your health in so many ways. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and protect your heart. Pineapple, with its high vitamin C content and anti-inflammatory properties, helps boost your immune system and may even speed up recovery after exercise. Together, they create a drink that supports your heart, strengthens your immune system, and helps your body fight off inflammation. Imagine this. You're at home, relaxing after a long day, and you pour yourself a glass of pomegranate pineapple juice. With every sip, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're giving your body a mini spa day from the inside out. The antioxidants go to work, protecting your cells and reducing stress. The vitamin C gives your immune system a boost, helping you stay healthy and energized. And the natural enzymes in pineapple support your digestion, so you feel light and refreshed. It's self-care in a glass, and it's as easy as pouring and sipping. And let's not forget the taste. This juice is so good, you'll actually look forward to drinking it. It's the kind of drink you can share with friends and family, knowing that you're giving them something that's both delicious and good for them. Whether you're serving it at breakfast, as a midday snack, or even as a healthy alternative at your next get-together, pomegranate pineapple juice is sure to be a hit. The vibrant color, the refreshing flavor, and the health benefits all come together to make this a drink you'll want to enjoy again and again. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a sugary soda or a processed juice drink, pause for a moment. Think about what you're really putting into your body. Instead of loading up on empty calories and artificial ingredients, why not choose something that actually nourishes you? Grab a glass of pomegranate pineapple juice instead. It's a simple swap that can make a big difference in how you feel. More energy, better health, and a happier you. And here's the best part. Making this juice at home is easier than you might think. All you need are fresh pomegranates, a ripe pineapple, and a good juicer or blender. Cut open the pomegranate, scoop out the seeds, and blend them with chunks of pineapple. Strain if you like a smoother texture, or leave it pulpy for extra fiber. You can even add a splash of water or a squeeze of lemon for an extra zing. In just a few minutes, you'll have a glass of homemade superfood juice that's fresher, tastier, and healthier than anything you'll find in a store. Let's recap the benefits one more time. Pomegranate pineapple juice is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells, vitamin C that boosts your immune system, and natural enzymes that support digestion. It helps your heart, fights inflammation, and keeps you feeling your best. Plus, it's naturally sweet and delicious, with no added sugars or artificial flavors. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. And it's not just for adults. Kids love it too. The bright color and sweet taste make it a fun and healthy option for the whole family. You can even get creative and use the juice as a base for smoothies, popsicles, or mocktails. However you enjoy it, you'll be giving your body a boost with every sip. So the next time you're looking for a drink that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds, remember pomegranate pineapple juice. It's more than just a trend. It's a superfood combo that delivers real results. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Superfood status unlocked.